Hey there, digital marketers. Welcome back to IndeedSEO, where we help you turn clicks into business. If you're looking to skyrocket your email marketing conversions, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be talking about how to use AI to take your email marketing game to the next level. So, let's dive in. What is AI in email marketing? First off, let's talk about what AI actually is in the context of email marketing. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that allows machines to learn from data and make decisions. In email marketing, AI helps analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and personalize content, all automatically. It's like having a personal assistant that's super smart and works 24/7. Why AI is crucial for email marketing. Now, you might be thinking, why do I need AI for my email campaigns? Well, here's why. AI can make your emails more personalized, improve segmentation, and even optimize send times. Let's break it down. Personalization. AI can analyze your subscribers' past behaviors, what they click on, what they buy, and when they open your emails. Using that data, AI can help you craft personalized emails that speak directly to their interests. Personalization boosts engagement and conversions. Segmentation. AI helps you segment your email list more effectively. Instead of creating one-size-fits-all emails, AI divides your list into smaller, targeted groups based on behavior, interests, and past interactions. That means you can send the right message to the right person at the right time. Send time optimization. AI can predict when each subscriber is most likely to open their email. Imagine sending an email right when your customer is checking their inbox. It increases the chances of your email being opened and acted upon. AI tools to boost email marketing conversions. Now, let's take a look at some AI tools that can boost your email marketing conversions. Predictive analytics tools. Tools like HubSpot and ActiveCampaign use AI to predict customer behavior. They tell you which customers are most likely to engage, so you can send them tailored content at the best possible time. Email subject line generators. Ever struggle to come up with catchy subject lines? AI-powered tools like Phrasee can generate subject lines that are optimized for higher open rates based on previous data. A/B testing with AI. AI takes A/B testing to the next level. It not only automates the testing process but also analyzes the results in real time, providing you with actionable insights to improve your campaigns on the fly. AI-driven email campaign examples. Here's a quick example. Let's say you run an e-commerce store. Using AI, you can create a series of personalized emails based on browsing history. For instance, if a customer was looking at a pair of shoes but didn't buy them, AI can trigger an abandoned cart email with a special discount, personalized to that user. Or, if you're running a B2B business, AI can send targeted offers based on past purchase data, increasing your chances of conversion by sending relevant content at just the right moment. So, there you have it. AI isn't just a futuristic tool, it's here, and it's changing the way we approach email marketing. By integrating AI, you can create smarter, more effective campaigns that convert like never before. Personalized content, smart segmentation, and optimized send times will help you boost those conversions and grow your business. Call to action. If you want more tips on using AI in your marketing efforts, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and leave us a comment below on how you're planning to incorporate AI into your email strategy. And don't forget to visit our website for more business boosting strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Outro. Catch you later, digital marketers. Keep growing, keep optimizing, and let's make those conversions skyrocket with AI.